What's good, YouTube? JASSAL Farm here, guys, and today for you guys I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the category 1 on your 3-point hitch, guys. If you guys can see, my category 1 pin kind of came out, guys, with all the vibrations and usage of tractor, guys. Came out and ended up losing it. So as you can see, snow on the ground. I gotta get plowing this year. We're gonna have snow this year, so it's time to fix it up, guys. So I went to the local dealer where I picked it up from, which is Agri-ease BE, and I picked up a category 1 hitch pin. You guys can see right there, it's made in India, which is pretty cool. Let that focus real quickly, if it will. And then also went ahead and picked up a 32mm power fist wrench real quickly, and they gave me the pin lynch pins as well. I ordered these. They're also made in India, which is pretty cool. So I got all the factory things. We're gonna get this thing installed right here, and we'll show you guys how it looks. And then also I'll end up changing that side too down the road as well. As you guys can see, this side definitely needs to be changed, give it a nice clean up and whatnot. And let's get this category 1 pin installed, guys. As you guys can see, it cost me $15, which is not bad. All right, so I threaded it on. I got it all. You guys can see there's a full 1 finger-inch gap there to get it all lined up. Now it's on. Got to tighten that thing up with a 32mm wrench right there, and I'm gonna tighten that side too, guys. And it's definitely this material of this one, the anodized material here, is gonna last much better than that one that was on before. You guys can see it just rusted right up. And then I'll give this thing a quick paint up too and touch up on this. I know a couple people would tell me to put a little bit of Loctite on that, but I'm gonna end up redoing that next year when I open it up. I'm gonna end up unbolting this right here, sandblasting it down, and then painting it all, probably powder coating the entire frame of it back to normal. Get nice and heavy duty done. So I'm gonna get to tightening that thing up, and I'll show you guys how it is once it's done. All right, it's all done. Simple as that. We tightened it all up. Now we got the pin installed, category 1. It's ready to go, guys. Now we can start hooking this thing up to our John Deere, and we're ready to plow. I'm gonna use the lynch pins after, guys, when I actually hook it up to a tractor. I'm not gonna just leave it out there. And also, one last tip is, before you actually use it 100% and actually use it up, once you hook it up to the tractor and you got your lynch pins in on both sides and it's not moving anywhere, tighten it up nicely, and then go ahead and tighten these bolts again inside. Go ahead, use an impact driver or whatever, or a torque wrench if anything, and just see the specifications, what they torque it down to. I never really got any specifications what they want it to be torqued down to, how many feet-pounds, but so far I just hand tighten it and I tighten it down heavy duty. So should be really good. You guys can see it's nice and flush, no gaps anymore, and it's perfectly straight. It's all lined up. There's no bends in it or anything. Like, it's not like it's on properly, not hooked up properly. So it's all proper, guys. Now the only things I got to worry about in the future is this pin here and that pin down there, which I'm not too sure for the full life length of these, if they break or how they are, because you guys can just see the size of nut on that thing. That thing's like savage. That thing's probably a 35mm, if anything, guys, or 40. Maybe it is a 32. Nope. You guys can just see the difference size. You gotta get something for that too. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Make sure you guys comment, rate, and subscribe, and check out my other YouTube videos too. And I'll show you guys an update when we start using this thing up and snow plowing the driveway, and if there's any other issues we have with this blade as well, if this pin lasts, and how the rust is on it as well, guys. So make sure you guys comment, rate, and subscribe, and take care. Subscribe to the JASSAL Farm YouTube channel.